Hey there, sailors, ready to unlock the secrets of rudder design for your sailboat? Whether you're a seasoned mariner or just setting sail, understanding rudder design is crucial for top-notch performance and handling. Let's dive right into it. First up, balanced rudder proportions. Imagine a rudder that gives you precise control and effortless steering. The key? Proportions. A balanced rudder reduces torque and improves feel, making your sail smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's talk about rudder area. Did you know your rudder area should be around 8 to 10% of the total lateral plane area? This ratio is vital for maneuverability. With the right rudder area, you'll experience tighter turns and better control, especially in challenging conditions. Next on the list is rudder stock size. Think of the rudder stock as the backbone of your rudder. Factors like rudder area, boat speed, and support structure all play a role in determining the perfect size. A robust rudder stock ensures your rudder performs reliably and withstands the rigors of the sea. So why is all this important? Well, understanding these principles means better sailing, fewer headaches, and more fun on the water. Whether you're building, upgrading, or just curious, mastering the technical aspects of rudder design will enhance your sailing experience. All right, sailors, that's a wrap for today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more sailing tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy sailing. #rudder design, #sailing tips, #sailboat, #marine engineering, #rudder sizing.